What's shaking, gang? All right, we're at our second stop here on our groundbreaking, record-setting, never-done-before trip across America. Going from the Mississippi to the Pacific Ocean. We're going to see if we're going to the Pacific Ocean now. But right now, we're going to, yeah. And an electric vehicle, F-150 Lightning. We'll see. First person to ever do it in a full-size truck. First person to ever do it. That's right. And we're in Ames, Iowa, at the public charging station right now. And we're at 45%. The range on the battery is getting a little bit better. Just a little teeny bit better, not much, but a little bit. Because the temperature, it's not up here anymore. The temperature is 23 degrees, which is a hell of a lot better than 8 degrees. And it's snowing and being windy and cold and shitty. So, things are rolling along. It's the middle of the day, and we're taking a little die break here. A little dice break, all right? And so that's just not good. Look at that. All right, right on. Wait, hold on. Yeah, because these are special. These are special die. Oh, boy. Go along with your pillow there. Right, all right, so I'm here with Eloise. Eloise, my electric lady. And I'm here with the producer, Blondie. Give me the camera real quick. Everybody's got to see you. That's right. Make it look good. There you go. Ho, ho, ho. Look at, there's a nice picture of the dumpster there. What the fuck? All right, whatever. All right. We'll catch you at the next stop, right? Peace!